Welcome back, little learners. Today, we're heading to the farm to discover some amazing fun facts about farm animals. From the clucking chickens to the mooing cows, there's so much to learn and explore. Have you ever wondered how pigs keep cool on hot days? Or why goats love to climb? We're going to find out all these cool things and more. So grab your boots and let's get ready to meet our barnyard friends. Are you excited? Let's go explore the wonderful world of farm animals together. Cows have an excellent memory. They can remember things for a long time and even recognize over 50 different cows by their faces. Cows have almost 360-degree vision. This means they can see nearly all the way around them, which helps them spot any danger coming their way. Cows are very social animals. They form close friendships with other cows and can get sad if they are separated from their best buddies. A cow's stomach has 4 compartments. This special stomach helps them digest tough food like grass, which they spend about 8 hours a day eating. Pigs are very smart animals. They can learn tricks, solve puzzles, and even play video games with their snouts. Pigs have a great sense of smell. They use their strong snouts to dig in the ground and find tasty treats like roots and insects. Pigs love to roll in the mud. This helps them stay cool on hot days and protects their skin from getting sunburned. Baby pigs are called piglets. Piglets are born in a group called a litter and love to stay close to their mother. Chickens can communicate with each other using more than 30 different sounds. These sounds can signal different things like danger or finding food. Chickens take dust baths to keep clean. They roll around in the dust, which helps remove parasites and keep their feathers in good condition. Chickens can lay different colored eggs. Depending on the breed, chickens can lay white, brown, blue, or even green eggs. Chickens have a built-in compass. They can sense the Earth's magnetic field, which helps them find their way around and return to their coop. Sheep have excellent memories. They can remember up to 50 different sheep faces and even recognize human faces. Sheep are great at finding their way home. They have a strong flocking instinct and will follow each other to stay safe and find their way back to familiar places. Sheep's wool keeps them warm and dry. Their woolly coats are water-resistant and help protect them from the cold and rain. Sheep have a special way of eating. They are ruminants, which means they have a 4-part stomach that helps them digest tough plants like grass. Goats are excellent climbers. They have strong, nimble legs and can climb steep hills, rocky mountains, and even trees to find food and explore. Goats have great balance. Their hooves are split, which helps them keep steady on uneven ground and narrow ledges. Goats are very curious animals. They love to explore their surroundings and often nibble on various objects to learn about them. Goats have unique rectangular pupils in their eyes. This helps them see a wide field of view, which is useful for spotting predators and navigating their environment. Horses can run really fast. They can sprint at speeds of up to 55 miles per hour for short distances, making them one of the fastest animals on land. Horses have incredible stamina. In long-distance endurance races, they can cover up to 100 miles in a single day, running at a steady pace for hours. Horses sleep both lying down and standing up. They have a special locking mechanism in their legs that allows them to rest while standing, which helps them stay alert to danger. Horses communicate with each other using body language. They use their ears, tails, and facial expressions to show how they feel and to send messages to other horses. Ducks have waterproof feathers. They produce a special oil that they spread over their feathers to keep them dry while swimming in water. Ducks have webbed feet, which make them excellent swimmers. Their feet act like paddles, helping them move quickly and easily through the water. Ducks can be found all over the world, living in many different habitats, from lakes and rivers to marshes and even city parks. Ducks are great at communicating. They use a variety of quacks, whistles, and other sounds to talk to each other and let their friends know if there's danger or if they found food. Rabbits have powerful back legs that help them hop quickly and jump high. They can leap up to 3 feet in the air and cover long distances in a single bound. Rabbits have excellent hearing. Their large, sensitive ears can rotate almost 180 degrees to pick up sounds from all directions, helping them stay alert to danger. Rabbits love to eat vegetables and plants. They have a diet that includes grass, hay, leafy greens, and vegetables like carrots and lettuce. Rabbits are social animals and enjoy living in groups. In the wild, they live in large colonies called warrens, where they dig intricate tunnels and burrows to stay safe and raise their young. Turkeys have a unique gobble. Only male turkeys, called toms, can gobble, and they use this sound to attract female turkeys, called hens, especially during mating season. Turkeys can fly short distances. Even though they are large birds, wild turkeys can fly up to 55 miles per hour for short bursts to escape predators or reach roosting spots in trees. Turkeys have excellent vision. They can see in color and have a wide field of vision, which helps them spot predators from far away. Turkeys have a special part of their anatomy called a wattle. The wattle is the red, fleshy part that hangs down from their necks and helps them stay cool by releasing heat. Alpacas have very soft and warm wool. Their fleece is hypoallergenic and can be made into cozy clothing like sweaters and scarves. Alpacas are gentle and social animals. They live in herds and enjoy spending time with other alpacas, often humming to communicate with each other. Alpacas have 3 stomach compartments. This special digestive system helps them efficiently process the tough grasses and plants they eat. Alpacas come in many colors. Their wool can be white, black, brown, gray, and even a mix of these colors, making each alpaca unique. Thanks for joining us on this fun adventure to learn about farm animals, little learners. We hope you had as much fun as we did discovering all these amazing facts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Little Learners Hub, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our next exciting journey. Tell us in the comments which farm animal was your favorite and what other animals you'd like to learn about next. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and have fun learning. Bye-bye, little learners.